Blume Lempel. Now there is an author to read. So we have been reading both in English and in Yiddish stories of Blume Lempel, who was actually, I'm sorry to say, was unknown to me as well until I was, just a few years ago. I couldn't believe. Because actually, even, her early stories were published in the Morgan Freiheit, because she was kind of sympathetic as well to that spectrum. But somehow I completely missed her, and I'm not sure exactly I can't even quite remember now how I found out about her. But when I did, I said, wow, she has to be exposed to the Yiddishist community, because she's, I'm sure you've read her stuff. I have both of her books in Yiddish upstairs. Actually, right now they're part of the Parrots Library, but I have them both upstairs right now. Plus, of course, I have Oedipus in Brooklyn, the translation.